are new, make sure you are subscribed and like this video. So today is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to take you with me. I'm really wanting to see if I can get the Dyson hairdryer. I don't know if they're going to have anything in stock, but I'm really hoping that they do, because the one I want is a Mother's Day limited edition one, and it's like a fuchsia pink. It's so pretty. I've seen it online, so I'm really hoping that the Dyson store has it in stock. This one I was reading, and it comes with a hair comb and hairbrush, so I'm really hoping that it's there. So I'll check in with you in a bit to see if it's there, and I'll take you with me to the Dyson store. See you in a bit. I'm home now, and I just want to share with you this Dyson. So super exciting that I was able to get this. So this is right from the Dyson store. This is what it looks like, the packaging. And let's just open this up and see what's inside. Okay, this box is huge, so I'll just try to do my best to take everything out. Okay, so the first one, you have the two hair tools here, and all the attachments are in this one. You have the booklet. The regulatory compliance and safety information booklet is this. This is the case. It's in here. Ooh, this is so nice. I think that's it for the box. So this must just be the box. So that's now empty. And let's see what's in here. So we'll start with this one. So this is a case that it comes in. It says Dyson. Oh wow. So this is the hair dryer. It has all of the stickers. So I'll just take the sticker seal off. This is so pretty. I'm so glad I was able to get this. So light too. So this is the cover. The cover is the wiring, and this is the rest of the wire. So this one you can't detach it, so it's just all in one. It also says Dyson on both sides. Okay, so that's goes in here. And let's see if there's anything else in here. So just packaging. Oh, okay. So this is the warranty manual. So here's user manual and machine registry. And then this one is a quick start to the hair dryer. So the information. And let's see these attachments. What's inside? Ooh. You have the first one is the gentle air attachment, which is this one. Goes on like this. These are just all magnetic. You can stick it on, take it off. And then the next one is the diffuser. Wow, nice. I like that they have so many attachments. This one is the wide tooth comb. Super easy to attach. goes like this. Super pretty. And then lastly, this is the one I would use the most, and this is the Style Concentrator. So this is the one I would use. I love this thing. It's so light and easy grip. This filter here you can take out to clean every now and then, and just screw it closed. So that's what it looks like. Is there anything else in here? Empty. You got some silica gel. And that's it. So this is the inside. I totally forgot about these. It comes with these two as well. So I love that if you buy from Dyson, it comes with these two. Depending on where you buy it from, it doesn't always come with these. So something to note if you're buying from Dyson and or wherever you're looking to buy it. Try to buy from Dyson because you can get these two. It's definitely worth it. Over a $50 value. So you also get these two. Oh, that's so nice. I love the bounce. Oh, just made it super staticky. I'm going to try to plug in this Dyson. And let's just see how the settings are. Okay, so it reached. Let's see how this works. So I'm gonna turn it on. Okay, got it. So the left side, you have the fan settings, so low, medium, high. And then the right side, you have the heat setting, low, medium, high. And down here, if you hold it, it's for cool. I think for me, perfect fan setting would probably be the medium, and then the heat would be low. I'm super excited to use this on my hair and really happy with this purchase, and it's not that hot either. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and I'll see you on my next video.